And for Tiger and Rick Tulip, our animal actors. Thank you. Sorry we're starting a couple minutes late, but one of the dogs backstage has a fever. Welcome to the Animal Actors stage. Now, today you're about to see some of the animals that have been trained by Hollywood's top animal trainer, Gary Giroux, and his associates. Now, that company is responsible for a lot of the animals that you see on all sorts of television shows.
Very good, Cookie. Now, go ahead and pick the money up. Great. Cookie, come on back. Good. Thank you, ma'am. All righty. Now, does it be an airmail? That a girl. Put it back where you found it, right in the palm of her hand. All right. Very good. No petting, okay? No touching. All right. Come back, folks. That's Cookie the cockatoo. You know, for years though, photographing a bird in flight was always a big problem in the motion picture industry. You can imagine why. So while working on the film Jonathan Livingston Seagull, we had to develop a technique that enabled a cameraman to get an extended close-up of a bird just hovering or soaring in the air. This is the opportunity for an in-flight photograph of Africa's largest eagle. There it is. Boar. Get away, get away. Oh, okay, look, pig. Okay, if you can do anything, maybe we can give you a part. I don't know, you're out here already. Why don't you try something like a sit, something simple. Go ahead. See, pig, this is why you can't have a part. He's learned how to sit. Isn't that precious? I'll tell you what, pig. I'm really busy right now doing a show, so why don't we get together, we'll have breakfast or something in the morning and talk about a part. How's that? I don't know, what do you guys think? I think he's too much of a ham for this show. Sunshine, look over here. Why don't you go ahead and wave hello to the folks. Give them a big wave. Show them that big orangutan smile. Show them that big... That's not very nice, Sunshine. Watch it. These folks... Oh, yeah. Now you've really done it. You just got orangutan smile all over you. Disgusting. No, that's not good. This again. Here. Very good. See, that's how you're supposed to do it. Now cut it out. Sunshine, stand up. Give yourself a hand. Here. Say hello to everybody. Don't forget to wave now. Attaboy. Tiger and I are going to show you what we call the dog basics. So simple, basic things that a dog might need to know to be considered for a part. All right, Tiger, are you ready to go to work? Good dog. Sit, stay, lie down, on your feet, turn to the left, turn to the right. Good, now speak. Speak. Trainer in the audience that would like to come up and help you work Tiger. Oh, boy.
Spike, yell at Ace. Come on, Ace, get us out of here, will you? Okay, Ace, look back and talk. up, please. Look up and listen. Spike, catch the bag. Slowly look into the bag. Look into this camera. Point overhead, Ace. Oh, you point overhead. Oh, you're falling apart on me, Ace. Back to the left. Spike, keep talking to her. Come on, you nitwit. You got us into this. Get us out of here. Yeah. Keep it going. Spike, Ace, look over your right shoulder. Look back here. Shake your fist, both of you. Hey, these guys are using real bullets. Let's get out of here. Keep shaking your fist. To the left, Ace. Oh, look over here, Ace. Look over here. Hello, Ace. Spike, drop the bag. Drop the bag. Look over here, Spike. Hi, Spike. Hang in there, ladies. Give him a hand, folks. Long time ago. Throw the pies. Throw the pies. Granny, Buster, come on in, Granny. Okay, Granny, throw the pie. Granny, throw the pie.
Kid.
Still here.
Oh, no, I think I am. How did you get here, kid?
Actually, I drove, believe it or not.
To the water?
No, not to the water. It's difficult in this position.
That's what I mean.
Well, sorry, I misunderstood you.
Hi, kid.
Every day, thanks for...
That was 300 miles an hour. How fast did they go? Yeah. Hi, kid.
Hi, what's your name? Pleased to meet you. Do you have any questions?
Kid, you
Do I go where? Do I go to school? No, I haven't yet.